Today we will take a topic that is a percolator. It is a new method of preparation of mother tincture. So in the new method of preparation of mother tincture, there are two methods, maceration and percolation. So out of two methods, we will take today percolation. Uh, First, we will define percolation. It is defined as it is a short process of preparation of mother tincture where vehicle is passed through the soft non-gummy and non-mucilaginous drug substance of vegetable and animal origin by an apparatus percolator for a definite period of time as per the nature of drug substance according to pharmacopoeia. So, the definition itself indicates that this is a short process where the time requirement for this process is less as compared to the maceration, and in this we are preparing mother tincture with those drug substances which are soft and non-gummy and non-mucilaginous. That means they are dry drug substances and of vegetable and animal kingdom. So these words should be there in your answer. He, it is a short process and soft, non-gummy and non-mucilaginous drug substance of vegetable and animal kingdom. This for this process we are using a special apparatus, that is percolator. We have a steel percolator in our lab. We have seen that percolator, so you know how the percolator is. So, and important is we are preparing mother tincture according to the direction of the Indian homeopathic pharmacopoeia or any pharmacopoeia. Clear? So this is the definition of percolation. Further, preparation of mother tincture. For this, the principle is when a liquid capable of dissolving only a portion of powdered material is sprayed on porous material. So here the porous material means we are arranging different layers of sand in the percolator. That is the porous material, and that drug substance and the vehicle which you are adding, it will pass through that succeeding layer. That is nothing but the percolation. When a liquid capable of dissolving only a portion of powdered material is sprayed on porous material and it passes through succeeding layers of powder, it gets saturated. This solution is known as a mother tincture, and this mother tincture is produced by these two forces. So one, the force is the capillary attraction, and second one is the force of gravity. One is the force of capillary action. तो ये capillary action कौन produce करता है? That is the powder. And the force of gravity, we know the force of gravity because it has to be come downward by the displacement. The second force which is being stronger, that is the force of gravity than the first force. The other physical forces which are helpful in this process are gravitation, we have seen, viscosity, adhesion, friction, osmosis, capillary action, and surface tension. So these are the forces which helpful for the percolation. Now we will see the requirements for the percolation. We require drug substance that is non-gummy, non-mucilaginous. We require the menstruum. We know the definition of menstruum, the solution or a liquid which has a capacity to penetrate into the drug substance. And we require a special apparatus that is a percolator and glass rod. So this is the requirement for percolation. Now first we will see what is percolator, and then we will see the layers of percolator. So it is an apparatus used for percolation during the preparation of mother tincture in new method. There are different types of percolator with respect to their shape and the material by which they made. So the material may be copper, it may be stainless steel, or it may be the porcelain, or glass. And we are having a stainless steel percolator in our lab. There are the two parts of percolator, percolator proper and receiver. So this is the diagrammatic representation of percolator. This is the percolator proper and this is the neck. Percolator proper, this is the first upper part which consists of head that is fitted with a stopcock. This is a stopcock, and the neck, it is a narrow end which is connected through the rubber tube to the receiver. So this is the arrangement of percolator. The cork within the orifice of head as well as of the neck below are very roughly rubbed so that the cork and the upper body can very conveniently be fitted with one another. There are arrangements for entry of air after complete closure. Now the receiver, it is a second and the lower part. It is kept below the bottom of percolator so that the liquid will get collected easily. It may be the glass jar. The receiver is provided with the stopcock. The apparatus is provided with arrangement for placing the powdered material moistened with the solvent and a layer of coarse sand, and above all this an arrangement for placing a white filter paper. So these are all the layers and we are having the arrangement. This is the white filter paper and then the lid is there. A plug of an absorbent cotton is inserted into the neck above stopcock. So this is the stopcock. Here we have to place absorbent material. After managing in this manner, the apparatus will be left alone for a full day or a 2 day, and then requisite menstruum is poured into the drug powders. The tincture slowly falls through the neck drop by drop and it is collected in the receiver. When the collection is completed, the stopcock of the receiver is loosened and the content are taken out and filtrated. This is the desired mother tincture from dry drug substance. So this is In this way, we are using percolator. Now we will see the exact preparation of layers and the preparation of mother tincture. So these two parts, that is the head, we have to arrange the layers here, and the neck which is connected to the rubber tube. Receiver, this is the any glass wide mouth glass jar. It is provided with the stopcock, and it will receive the liquid that is formed in the percolator. Now we will see the procedure. What you have to do first, a piece of fine well washed muslin is tied to the neck in case of small percolator without stopcock. A plain cork of best quality can be inserted in the neck in a case of large percolators without stopcock of the percolator. If the percolator is not provided with the stopcock, insert. So this is the arrangement where the percolator is not having the stopcock, but in our lab we are having it. So we, if it is not, then we have to add something so that that menstruum or that drug substance will not come out. Okay. Now we will the toe. It is an obstruction made up of porous material placed in or above the neck and below the powder drug substance. It consists of the layers. So the plug absorbent quarter is inserted in the neck. Again, we will see the diagram. So if this stopcock is not there, then we have to add one cork, fresh cork here, so that it will obstruct. But most of the time it is given. Now we will see this arrangement that is known as toe. The layer of thick layer of minimum coarse sand. So first here at the neck we have to add absorbent material, that is the cotton. This is the cotton. Now the fourth layer, I am talking about this 4 number. So this is a thick layer of the fine sand. Okay. Now this third layer is the medium fine sand. Then this second layer is of the coarse fine sand, and this one, that is the drug substance, and then filter paper, and then lid. This is the arrangement of percolator. So this is the cotton. Then the layer of sand, fine sand, medium, coarse, drug substance, and the filter paper. Then if the drug substance is dry and if it is in the form of seeds, first we have to triturate it so that it will be converted into the powder. The dry and hard drug substance of uniform consistency, we have to spread over that layer. If it is fresh, then it is reduced into the pulp. The drug substance is moistened by mixing it with a sufficient menstruum with the help of pestle or spatula in a mortar. This is done to make the powder more absorbable by menstruum. Preparation from fresh vegetables under the large scale, then we have to prepare a pulp. Then the fineness of the powdered vegetables and animal drug substances is expressed in the pharmacopoeia, just like the if how much the thickness of that sand, how much fineness of that sand, how much the coarseness of that sand. But the material which is available in our area, we can use here. Then the actual process, the prescribed quantity. Now here the most important thing here is that, uh, 1 second. That is a preparation of that is a preparation of drug substance that we have seen. If it is a dry and hard, we have to convert it into the uniform powder. If it is fresh, convert into the pearl. It has to be moistened with the menstruum, and on the preparation from the fresh vegetables in the large scale we can prepare. So for that, we have to express the juice from that bulb. Then equal quantity of glass also we have to introduce in the percolator. This is the fine mesh powder 80. This is the number of that layers which we are arranging in the percolator. Now the actual procedure we will see. So if you are having the fresh pulp or powder, it has to be spread uniformly over the layers of the substance is taken. The moist pulp or the powdered drug substance is taken and moistened sufficiently with the small quantity of menstruum. यहाँ पे sand चाहिए. Fix the cork, which is at the end of that glass with the that neck. Then spread it properly with the glass rod to get a uniform and compact mass, free from any fissures and empty spaces, and place it firmly so that the strong alcohol or that menstruum will penetrate into that layers properly. Then lastly, the upper surface of the mask is covered with a disc of filter paper or a thin layer of finely powdered glass or a sand. Now the enough quantity of prescribed menstruum. So आपको ये quantity of drug substance and the quantity of menstruum, it is given in the pharmacopoeia. I have shown you the different types of pharmacopoeia, official and the unofficial. So official may I have shown you the Indian homeopathic pharmacopoeia, and unofficial may I have shown you that Ved Hindu Ved का मैंने आपको दिखाया था. And in that they have given the quantity of the drug substance and the quantity of menstruum required. For example, your drug substance, if it is 250 gram, then for that how much quantity of menstruum is required. So this is the meaning of prescribed menstruum. So prescribed menstruum has to be added to that arrangement. So this is the meaning of prescribed menstruum. So now enough quantity of menstruum has to be added over the mass so that just cover the mass holding it by means of flat cork attached to the glass rod. Pour on the content of percolator, allowing the fluid to run gently and gradually down the glass rod so that the fluid may fall on the cork and spread gradually over the surface without disturbing or displacing the pounded glass sand. Then the rod and cork is removed and the lid of the percolator is closed to prevent dust from contaminating and evaporation. As soon as the fluid begins to drop, now the mouth is closed by pressing the cork at the neck. It is allowed to stand for 24 hours or longer according to the nature of drug substance. Then, by opening valves and regulating the stopcock of cork, the liquid is allowed to percolate drop by drop, not exceeding 30 10 to 30 drops per minute. A constant watch is kept over the level of menstruum. It should always be about the mass of drug substance. Fresh quantity of menstruum is added from time to time without disturbing the arrangement of percolator. It is continued till the requisite amount of menstruum has been passed out of the percolator and the last drop from it has been received in the receiver. Then the cork is opened to all of the whole fluid to drop into the receiver. As before, the tincture obtained is to be tested in laboratory. To ascertain the drug strength, the resulting tincture is thus obtained in the receiver should be drained out and filtered through white filter paper into the glass bottle, which are to be tightly corked. So this is the procedure for the preparation of mother tincture in the percolator. Again, I will describe you what you have to do here. Simple way is you have to add first here the cotton or the any absorbent material. Arrange the layers of the sand. If your drugs, this is the drug substance. If your drug substance is dry, then or in the form of seeds, triturate it, make a powder of it, and then spread over that layers. Then you have to add the required amount of menstruum here. The upper surface of the mass should be properly covered with that menstruum. Then allow that liquid to flow gently and gradually with the help of glass rod, so that that fluid may fall onto the cork and spread gradually over the surface. And keep this arrangement for 12 to 24 hours. The cork and rod, remove it, then cover this with the filter paper and cover it with the lid. Keep this arrangement undisturbed. We have in the maceration we have to shake the jar every after 12 hours, but here we have to keep this arrangement. So cotton, different layers, drug substance, filter paper, and the lid, this is the arrangement. So keep this by addition of menstruum for 24 hours after or depending upon the nature of that drug substance. After the 24 hours, open this cork. You will get the mother tincture in the receiver through this tube. It should not be 10 to 30 drops per minute. So slowly it will get collected. But the procedure is not over here. The last drop should be collected. If it is not collected properly or some part is remain behind, then what you have to do, again you have to add sufficient amount of menstruum to cover the mass of drug substance of percolator. Close the lid of percolator, kept it for the 6 hours. Again open the lid after the 6 keep it undisturbed. Open the this cork after the 6 hour, and again you will get this the mother tincture. The tincture obtained again sent to the laboratory for its strength. So in this way you can collect the mother tincture. Now once the mother tincture is collected, you have to store it properly with the name of that mother tincture and the method of preparation. As we know, in the new method, the drug strength is uniform, that is a 1/10. So write down there, suppose it is a bryonia, so write down bryonia Q drug strength 1/10 by new method. Now what about the potentization of this mother tincture? According to the new method, the drug power is 1/10 and therefore it is equal to the 1x, that is a decimal scale. So directly you will get the 1x potency, or we can say that 1x is equal to mother tincture. So to prepare the 2x potency, take the 1 part of 1x potency, that is a mother tincture, and the 9 parts of vehicle, that is a purified water or alcohol. Give the 10 downward strokes of equal strength and you will get the 2x potency. For the 3x, you have to take the 1 part of 2x, 9 parts of dispensing alcohol and give the 10 downward strokes. In this way, you will get the 3x, and the further potency are preparing like this only, 1:9 part. And in the centesimal scale, what you have to do, your ratio will be 1:99. So in this way, the potentization we are doing in the new method. So in short, again, we will see two methods in the preparation of mother tincture: maceration and percolation. Percolation, this is a short process. Soft, non-gummy and non-mucilaginous animal and vegetable origin according to pharmacopoeia. Definite period of time. These words should be there in your definition. For the preparation of mother tincture, the principle is that the liquid is capable of dissolving, that is the menstruum is here, the powder material which is spread on the porous material, and because of these forces, the mother tincture is preparing. Requirements are drug substance, alcohol, percolator and glass rod with cork. Now the description of percolator, it has two parts. First, the definition. It is the apparatus used for percolation, preparation of mother tincture. In the new method, it is maybe of copper, stainless steel or porcelain or glass. It has two parts, percolator proper and receiver. So this is a percolator proper. Percolator proper has two parts, head and neck, and this is receiver. Upper end is the head, which is fitted with the cock. The neck is the lower part, which is connected to the rubber tube. Receiver, it is any glass jar, and it is attached to the tube. The tincture will collected in the jar. Then the procedure, we have to add the, again we will go to the diagram. Here we have to arrange the layers. The absorbent material at the bottom, fine sand, medium fine sand, coarse fine sand, drug substance, filter paper and the lid. In this way we have to arrange. The neck part is attached to the receiver with the help of rubber tube. Absorbent material, coarse sand, medium coarse sand and maximum coarse sand. Preparation of drug substance. We have seen the preparation of percolator first. Now the preparation of drug substance. If it is dry and hard, then make a uniform consistency. If it is fresh, reduce it into the pulp. Then that drug substance should be moistened with the proper quantity of menstruum when you are preparing the pulp. Preparation from the fresh vegetables in a large scale. In that, the juice is expressed out from the pulp and the residue is uniformly mixed with equal quantity of powdered green glass. The expressed juice is put into the receiver of percolator and allowed to mix with the percolated fluid. Now the juice, so this is about the large scale. And to check the fineness of that sand, we can use the चाळणी म्हणतो ना आपण त्याला, किंवा sieves जे आपण घरी वापरतो, तर ते आपण याच्यामध्ये वापरू शकतो. We can चाळू शकतो आपण त्या सँडला. सो हिअर दे हॅव गिवन द मेश किंवा सीव कोणती वापरायची, 80 नंबर सीव वापरायची, नंबर ऑफ 100 सीव वापरायची, सो दॅट वी कॅन डिफरन्शिएट फाईन, medium and the coarse powder. Actual preparation: powder or the moist pulp spread uniformly over the layers and with the help of glass rod त्याला सगळं अरेंज करायचं. There should not be any empty space. Require or the prescribed quantity of menstruum we have to add there by holding it properly with the glass rod. Keep that arrangement undisturbed for 24 hours or the longer duration according to the nature of drug substance. Open the valve after this particular time. It should not be exceed 10 to 30 drops per minute. If the requisite amount of menstruum you are added and some part is left behind, again you can add the menstruum and keep that arrangement for 6 hours and you will get the mother tincture. So this is the way how you can collect the mother tincture. For the potentization, the 1x potency is ready-made to you, that is a mother tincture. For 2x, 1:9 proportion, 3x again 1:9 proportion. Next time we will see maceration. That is again a new method of preparation of mother tincture. So in short, we can say that the percolation, the time required is 24 hours. Soft, non-gummy, non-mucilaginous drug substances are used. Dry and fresh or vegetables can be used. Mother tincture is obtained. Decantation is not necessary, which is necessary in the maceration. And the menstruum is allowed to pass through drug substance. These are the certain features of percolation. Next time or the next session, we will see maceration.